In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enhance your privacy and security settings in Firefox to make your browsing experience safer and more private. Let's dive right in and start with updating your browser, always a fundamental task when working towards a secure browsing environment. Make sure that you're using the latest version of Firefox. It's crucial because each update not only enhances your browsing experience, but also patches security vulnerabilities. To update, open the menu by clicking the three horizontal lines on the top right corner, go to Help, and then select About Firefox. If there's a new version available, Firefox will start updating itself automatically. Next, we want to strengthen your privacy by configuring the Enhanced Tracking Protection feature. Navigate to Browser Privacy, and from there, select Enhanced Tracking Protection. Choose the Strict mode, which is designed to block a wide array of intrusions, such as cross-site cookies, trackers, crypto miners, and fingerprinting scripts. This step is essential in enhancing your privacy by preventing third-party entities from tracking your online behavior. Let's move on to website privacy preferences. Consider ticking the option that requests websites not to sell or share your data. While this is a proactive step, remember that not all websites will honor this request, but it's a good practice to activate this option anyway. Now, let's talk about cookies and site data. If you're particularly concerned about privacy, you might want to tick the option to delete cookies and site data when Firefox is closed. Though optional, this can provide added privacy by ensuring that data from your browsing session isn't preserved. When it comes to password management, enable the option that prompts Firefox to ask to save passwords. This feature, coupled with alerts about breached websites, can be a cornerstone for managing your online credentials securely. For additional protection, it's wise to add a primary password, securing all your saved logins with a singular strong password. It's generally advisable to keep the Save and Fill Payment Methods option turned off unless you have complete trust in Firefox to handle your card data securely. While autofill can be convenient, it does come with privacy trade-offs. If you prefer using private mode all the time, adjust your history settings. Set Firefox to use custom settings for history and disable remembering history. This ensures that data from your web browsing sessions is not recorded. Under Permissions, ensure that the Block Pop-up Windows option remains checked. Also, keep the setting that warns you when websites try to install add-ons checked to avoid unwanted installations. For Firefox data collection and use, I recommend unchecking all options related to technical data, extension recommendations, studies, and crash reports. This limits the data Firefox collects about your browsing habits. Turn your attention to security settings next, where all three boxes should stay checked: blocking dangerous and deceptive content, blocking dangerous downloads, and enabling warnings about unwanted software. Lastly, enable HTTPS-only mode in all windows for added encryption on websites. Don't forget to scroll down to DNS over HTTPS and select Max Protection. This will fully encrypt your DNS requests, adding another layer of security to your browsing. Following these steps will significantly enhance your browsing security and privacy, affording you peace of mind as you navigate the web.